next part of the video. In today's video, we will be studying about what are the algebraic identities and how to solve them. The next part of the polynomial chapter is the identities. तो अभी तक हम जो पढ़ते आ रहे हैं, that is the zeros of the polynomial, remainder theorem, factor theorem, and the next part of the chapter is algebraic identities. ये हम हमारे पहली क्लासेस में भी पढ़ चुके हैं. What are these algebraic identities? ये जो algebraic identities है, basic identities है. A plus b का whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. X plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. A plus b plus c का whole square is gives you a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. So these are the identities which we have already studied in the previous classes. So how to use these identities, how to use these identities in the sums, we will be seeing in this lecture. So let's start with the sum and how these identities are applicable there. Let's see. See such a type of a question. Root 2x plus 3y raised to whole square. So यहाँ पर क्या हम a plus b का whole square लगा सकते हैं? The a plus b whole square says a square plus 2ab plus b square. ये होती है हमारी identity. If we use this identity and say, can we say this part is nothing but a and the 3y is nothing but b? So come on, we will put in this identity and we will see and we will expand this. So it will be root x whole square plus 2 into what is a? A is root x and what is b? 3y plus 3y का whole square. 3y का whole square. So what we will get? Root 2x का whole square will give you 2x square plus 2 into 3 is give you 6. 6 root 2 xy plus 9y square plus 9y square. So this is how we expand these identities. So these are nothing but the expansion of the identities. Now we can see the next question. 3x minus 4y ka whole square. So here we can use a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square, which will give you a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So if I expand this, I will get 3x whole square. Again we can say this is a and this is b. So what we will get? Minus 2 into 3x into 4y plus 4y square. Now we can say 3x ka whole square. 3x ka whole square we will get 9x square. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 4 is nothing but 24xy plus 4 ka square is nothing but 16 and y square is y square. So this is the expansion for the given equation. This is the expansion for the given equation. I hope these two simple sums must be very clear to you. Let's move to the next sum now. Let's see this type of problem. 2x plus y minus z ka whole square. So can we apply the identity of a plus b plus c ka whole square, which will give you a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. We have seen this identity, correct? If I apply, this is nothing but this is a, this is b and this is c. C will be minus z. It will not be only z, c will be minus z. So if I apply this identity, I will get this whole expansion will be equal to 2x square plus y square plus minus z square plus 2 into what is a is 2x, what is b is y plus 2 into y and c is minus z plus 2 into what is c minus z into 2x. Now let's see what happens. 2x ka whole square will give you 4x square plus y square plus minus ka square will become plus, convert it into plus and it will become z square plus 2 into 2 will become 4xy and plus and अंदर minus है तो बाहर आ जाएगा minus का sign. That will be minus 2yz. Then again it will be minus 2 2's will give you 4xz. So this will be the expansion of the given sum. I hope it must be clear. Now let us move further. Let's see this kind of question. So what we have, 185 into 185 minus 115 into 115. Can I write it like this? 185 का square because it is twice minus 115 का square. 115 का square. Now can I use the identity of a square minus b square? A square minus b square is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. So let's see, this is nothing but this is a and this is b. Let's put here, it will be 185 plus 115 into 185 minus 115 minus 115. Let's see, 185 plus 115 will give you 300 and 185 into minus 115 will give you 70. So 300 into 70 will give you 21,000. So the answer for such type of questions can be solved by using identities. Let us take one more question like that, so it will be clear to all of you. If I wanted to remove 97 square, how can I split this 97 square so that I can use the identities to solve such a type of question? Can I split like that? 100 minus 3 ka square. 100 minus 3 is nothing but 97. So here you can use the identity of a minus b ka whole square. If you use the a minus b ka whole square in this sum, so you will get 100 square minus 2 into 100 into 3 plus 3 square. So let's solve this. This will give you 20 and again 20 minus 200 into 3 will give you 600 plus 9. Now you can do it 1000, 10,000, 600 minus 600 plus 9 will give you minus 591. Will give you minus 591. Now subtract 10,000 minus 591. Will give you 10409. 10409. Such a type of question must be clear. Let's see some other few questions too. Now let us see such a type of a question: x minus 1 upon x, x into x plus 1 upon x into x square plus 1 upon x square into x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x square. It seems to be little complicated when we see the question, but it's very easy. ये पहले दो टर्म पकड़ के चलते हैं. क्या दो टर्म में आपको ये लग रहा है कि इसमें a minus b into a plus b का फॉर्मूला लगा हुआ है? a minus b into a plus b, which is nothing but a square minus b square. A square minus b square. So can I treat this as a and this as b? So while solving these two brackets, I will get x square minus 1 upon x square. Carry forward these two also, क्योंकि वो सम के साथ में ही है, तो वो तो लिखना पड़ेगा. Now you can see again, ये दो ब्रैकेट जब देखेंगे तो दोनों में a minus b into a plus b फिर से नजर आ रहा है. फिर से सेम फॉर्मूला लगा करके what we can write it is x raised to 4. How come x raised to 4? इसका स्क्वायर माइनस 1 अपॉन x स्क्वायर का होल स्क्वायर into x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4. Now you can see if you expand this, x raised to square into square will give you x raised to 4 minus 1 upon x raised to 4. This is multiplied by x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4. Now again you can apply with the same formula. This is a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b will give you a square. So that will be x raised to 4 ka square minus 1 upon x raised to 4 ka whole square. So what is x raised to 4 raised to square will give you x raised to 8 minus 1 upon x raised to 8. 1 upon x raised to 8. So the answer for this question comes out to be x raised to 8 minus 1 upon x raised to 8. I hope it must be clear. Now let us see such type of question. If x plus 1 upon x is 11, find x square plus 1 upon x square. अगर 1 plus x plus 1 upon x 11 दिया है तो x square plus 1 upon x square कितना होगा? So let's see कि हम कैसे solve करते हैं. x जो हमको given condition दिया उसी से हमको solve करना पड़ेगा. If I square this on both the sides, अगर मैं दोनों जगह पर इसको squaring कर दूं, so what I will do? Squaring on both the sides. If you will write it down in the next step. ये मैंने directly कर दिया है. Squaring on both the sides. Squaring on both the sides. If I square on both the sides, so if I expand, this is nothing but a plus b ka whole square. So if I expand, it will give me a square plus 2 into a, sorry, a is here is x, into 1 upon x plus 1 upon x ka whole square is equals to 11 square is nothing but 121. So here we can see x and x get cancelled out. So the answer will be x square plus 2 plus 1 upon x square is equals to 121. So if I take this constant on this side, and the remaining terms are x square upon 1 upon x square is equals to 121 minus 2, which will be nothing but x square plus 1 upon x square comes out to be 119. So the answer is 119. तो हमको ये पूछा था x square plus 1 upon x square. So how we have taken it out? By squaring on both the sides. Let's see some few more examples of this kind. Let's see this question. If x plus 1 upon x is equals to root 5, find x square plus 1 upon x square, x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4. Again we are going to do squaring on both the sides. If I square the given term on both the sides, it will be like this. If I expand this, it comes out to be x square plus 2 into x into 1 upon x plus 1 upon x ka whole square is equals to root 5 square is nothing but 5. Root 5 square is nothing but 5. Again x and x will get cancelled out. The remaining term will be x square plus 1 upon x square is equals to 5, and this I will take here, it will be minus 2. So x square plus 1 upon x square comes out to be 3. तो हमारा एक पहला जो हमको पूछा गया था वो हमको मिल गया. So that is nothing but 3. अब क्या करेंगे, ये कंडीशन को यूज करके हम ये वाला सम निकालेंगे. लेट्स सी हाउ. अगर ये इसको जो आई हुई कंडीशन है, इफ आई स्क्वायर ऑन बोथ द साइड्स, सी एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर का होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू 3 स्क्वायर. So if I square it, it will become x square ka whole square plus 2 into x square into 1 upon x square plus 1 upon x square ka whole square equal to 3 square is nothing but 9. So x square ka whole square will give you x raised to 4. X square will get cancelled out. Plus 2 plus 1 upon x raised to 4 is equals to 9. 1 upon x raised to 4 is equals to 9. This 2 can be taken this side, and the answer for x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4 comes out to be 9 minus 2, which is nothing but 7. So I hope how to solve such type of question must be clear. अगर यदि आपको इधर x raised to 8 plus 1 upon x raised to 8 पूछा होता तो क्या करते, ये आई हुई कंडीशन को फिर से स्क्वायर करते तो आपको x raised to 8 plus 1 upon x raised to 8 मिल जाता, क्योंकि उसके पावर डबल होते जा रहे हैं. जैसे जैसे पावर अगर डबल होते जा रहे हैं तो आप इसको स्क्वायर करोगे तो आपको आगे के आंसर्स मिलते जाएंगे. So I hope it must be clear. Let us see more problem. Now let's see, अगर रिवर्स केस में सम दिया है, सम में दिया है x square plus 1 upon x square 79 दिया है. अभी तक हमको ये टर्म पूछी जा रही थी और ये दी जा रही थी, और अब ये पूछी है. तो let us see how we will do it. तो यहाँ पर अगर यदि फिर से मैं बोलूँ x minus 1 upon x का होल स्क्वायर को एक्सपैंड करेंगे. क्या करेंगे, एक्सपैंड करेंगे. यहाँ पे स्क्वायरिंग नहीं, इसको एक्सपैंड करेंगे. अगर इसको एक्सपैंड करेंगे तो हमको मिलेगा x square minus 2 into x into 1 upon x plus 1 upon x square. Again this x and x will get cancelled out. So expansion comes out to be x square minus 2 plus 1 upon x square. This is equal to what? X minus 1 upon x के whole square के बराबर है. So can we write this equation and write like this? X square plus 1 upon x square minus 2. And अगर हम ध्यान से देखें तो x square plus 1 upon x square की वैल्यू हमको 79 दे रखी है क्वेश्चन में. So this is nothing but 79 minus 2. So can I say x plus 1 upon x, sorry, minus 1 upon x का whole square is nothing but 77. Is nothing but 77. But मेरे को क्या लेना है, मेरे को क्या निकालना है, x minus 1 upon x निकालना है केवल. So I need to take square root on both the sides. If I take square root on both the sides, it will become plus minus under root 77. So the answer comes out to be plus minus under root 77. Let's see such a type of sum where 9x square plus 25y square is given to be 181. xy दिया है minus 6 पूछा है 3x प्लस 5 की वैल्यू बताएंगे, 3x प्लस 5 की वैल्यू. सो कैन आई राइट लाइक दिस, 3x प्लस 5y का होल स्क्वायर अगर यदि मैं एक्सपैंड करूंगी तो क्या आएगा, 3x का होल स्क्वायर, आई विल राइट इट डाउन, 3x का होल स्क्वायर प्लस 2 इंटू 3x इंटू 5y प्लस 5y का होल स्क्वायर, 5y का होल स्क्वायर. 3x का होल स्क्वायर इज नथिंग बट 9x स्क्वायर प्लस 3 into 2 is 6, 6 5 are 30, 30xy plus 5 square is nothing but 25, y square is nothing but y square. So this is the equation. As you see in the equation, this equation and rearrange like this, 9x square plus 25y square प्लस 30xy. और अब देखेंगे कि हमको क्वेश्चन में क्या इंफॉर्मेशन गिवन थी, 9x स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर विच वाज गिवन एज 181. सो कैन वी राइट दिस कंबाइंड एज 181 प्लस 30. xy की वैल्यू हमको गिवन है -6, सो वी कैन राइट इट एज -6. सो इट कम्स आउट टू बी 181 plus and minus will give you minus. 30 into 6 will give you 180 and answer comes out to be 1. Answer comes out to be 1. Which answer is this? This is 3x plus 5y का whole square. क्योंकि हम इसको क्या ले रहे थे, ये हमने किससे इक्वेट करा, 3x plus 5y के होल स्क्वायर से. अब हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा, हमको केवल इसका आंसर चाहिए. सो वी नीड टू टेक इट अप स्क्वायर रूट. तो 3x plus 5y is equals to plus minus 1. Why plus minus 1? क्योंकि root of 1 is nothing but 1. Now let us see the last sum for this video. The question, the thing which is given in the question is a square plus b square plus c square is equals to 20. तो ये देखते से हमारे दिमाग में सबसे पहले चलना चाहिए था, जो आइडेंटिटी यूज करेंगे वो कौन से यूज कर सकते हैं, a प्लस बी प्लस सी का होल स्क्वायर. तो सबसे पहले हमें समझ में आना चाहिए कि हम कौन सी आइडेंटिटी इधर यूज कर सकते हैं. एंड देन बोला है a प्लस बी प्लस सी इज नथिंग बट 0. फाइंड करने को बोला है ए बी प्लस बी सी प्लस सी ए. सो लेट्स सी हाउ वी कैन सॉल्व सच टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. We know a plus b plus c का whole square, correct? If we expand this, we will get a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. ये मिलेगा. एंड हम अभी क्वेश्चन में देखें तो हमको ये वाला पार्ट क्वेश्चन में प्रोवाइडेड है, ये वाला पार्ट भी क्वेश्चन में प्रोवाइडेड है. अगर यदि मैं इसको रीअरेंज करके ऐसा लिख सकूं, a स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर, क्या ये मैं तीनों टर्म्स में से 2 कॉमन निकाल सकती हूँ? अगर मैं 2 कॉमन निकाल लूंगी, so I can write it like AB plus BC plus CA. AB plus BC plus CA. Now you can see this has been asked in the question. This has been asked in the question. Let's see. A plus B plus C कितना दिया है? 0. We will substitute 0. 0 का square. A square plus B square plus C square is given 20. So we will substitute 20 plus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. Now what we can do, 0 square is 0. We can take the constant on one side. Can we write like this? 2 into AB plus BC plus CA is nothing but equal to minus 20. Equal to minus 20. If I take this 2 down, so my answer for AB plus BC plus CA will be minus 20 upon 2, which comes out to be minus 10. Which comes out to be minus 10. So I hope such a type of questions must be clear to you, and I hope the algebraic identities which we have discussed at the starting of the videos must be clear. Thank you and have a nice day. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe.